Hey everyone! Today, let's troubleshoot the issue of missing chat history sync in Messenger. If you're encountering this problem, follow these steps to resolve it. Launch the Messenger app. Tap on the three lines icon to access the menu. Navigate to the settings by tapping on the gear icon. Select Privacy and Safety. Tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Ensure that message storage is turned on. If it's turned off, switch it on. This ensures your chat history syncs with other devices. Check the option for secure storage, which saves your unencrypted messages. Tap on Sync now to initiate the sync process. Alternatively, you can tap on Try Another Way and enter your PIN to sync your chat history. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the missing chat history sync issue in Messenger. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and take care.